Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Government borrowing can flip this fast, so watch this quick chain. More borrowing changes loan demand, moves real interest rates, then shifts long-run growth. When the government borrows more, it enters the loanable funds market asking for more money, so total demand for loans rises right away, and that puts upward pressure on borrowing costs. In the short run, higher demand for loanable funds pushes the real interest rate up because lenders can charge more when borrowers, including the government, are competing harder for funds. Higher real interest rates make private borrowing and investment less attractive, so over time, capital formation slows and the economy's long-run growth rate decreases. Well done. Option B. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust what's given, and check the steps so rising rates connect to slower growth.